Hello, good morning. This is your daily outlook for Thursday, the 6th of June. The euro tested resistance at 131.05 several times over the last 2 days. The single currency is set for a shake-up today as ECB President Mario Draghi is set to give his monthly press conference at 12:30 GMT. The US dollar has twice tested support at 98.85 against the Japanese yen. The dollar moved yet lower yesterday following worse than expected employment data. All eyes are on today's unemployment rate and tomorrow's non-farm payrolls for sign of dollar weakness. Looking at equities, European equities continue to slide as markets incorporate a slower pickup in the real economy, headed by lower than expected US jobs data. UK equities follow the trend, with the UK 100 touching 6396, a one-month low. Looking at commodities, gold is completing its pennant formation at around 1398. The precious metal may move upwards should US data come out worse than expected this afternoon, and investors move to gold for safety. WTI crude oil, the US energy benchmark, has extended gains, moving to 94.40 before correcting somewhat to 93.38. Oil prices have consistently tried to push for $100 per barrel, but were pushed down by lower economic growth from advanced economies. Now let's take a look at what the currencies are doing this morning. The euro-dollar pivot points at 130.50 with a preference to enter into long positions at 130.50. The dollar-yen pivot points at 99.75 with a preference to enter into short positions at 99.75. The Aussie dollar pivot points at 0.9545 with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9545. The sterling dollar pivot points at 153.30 with a preference to enter into long positions at 153.30. The dollar CAD pivot points at 103.25 with a preference to enter into long positions at 103.55. Now looking at commodities and indices. The oil pivot points at 93.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 93.15. The gold pivot points at 1390 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1390. The silver pivot points at 22.15 with a preference to enter into long positions at 22.95. The US 500 is at 1597 with a preference to enter into long positions at 1597. And the UK 100 is at 6460 with a preference to enter into short positions at 6460. And of course, for more up-to-date information, please visit us at easy-forex.com. Watch out for these market movers. At 11 GMT in the UK, we have the official bank rate expected at 0.5%. 11:45 GMT in Europe, we have the minimum bid rate expected at 0.5%. And at 12:30 GMT in the US, we have the unemployment claims expected at 345,000. And our mover and the shaker today is the British pound against the US dollar. The British pound continues its bullish trend, touching 154.01 against the dollar. The sterling is seen to be extending gains as the UK economy seems to have avoided a triple dip, and the Monetary Policy Committee is set to leave interest rates unchanged as Bank of England's Mervyn King is set to chair his final meeting before being replaced by Canada's Mark Carney. Thank you for tuning in to our Daily Outlook. We look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. I'm Emma and Joe from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a great day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager waiting for you now.